and we're going to solder on an Anderson plug, but we have a little bit of prep to do first. For a start, we need to level off these, and we need to get a suitable amount of insulation stripped off them. Sharp flush cutters are amazing bits of gear. There we go. Give them a gentle twist, not too much, and they should drop into here nicely. Cool. Now we use a bit of blue tack here, which, for reference, that's what blue tack is. It's actually apparently very hard to find in America, considering it was a development of the space program. Anyway, these ones are nicely sealed at the bottom, so we're going to take this one, and we need to actually observe which way round it is. So that is that way round. Do you? This stuff's magic. I actually can cast metal into this stuff, and it holds up to the temperature. Alright, that way it's going to be that way. Alright, now we get all our heat sensitive stuff well out of the way. Get our jumbo torch, and yeah. Probably need thicker solder for this. This is flux core, by the way, which certainly helps with this process. Okay. Let this cool for a bit, and we'll do the next one, and then we'll be back. Now, before you ask, yes, I do have a crimping tool for these. I just like soldering them more. Should solidify in a moment. I love this thing, it's so much quicker than the small ones. Alright, we'll let these cool off, and then we'll dab some extra blue tack around here to get this bit off. Okay. That way. A little bit. Yep. This is the reason why you line them up when you do it, so that the cable doesn't have some weird twist in it once you've got that in here. There we go. We have power. And black on negative and red on positive. We might have radio comms. Let's put the antenna back.